Hello new fans, welcome back to the channel. Winter 2026 has already started, and with this we have a lot of big titles returning to us like JJK, Cunning Games, Free Season 2 and Oshinoko. And that's not all. We have a lot of new shonen anime coming this year, with the total of 18 massive anime are dropping this season. With this I am giving you my 18 anime list that I believe you should definitely try this season. Without further ado, let's start the video. Fate Strange Fake from A1 Pictures. A1 Pictures is finally giving us the full series. This isn't your standard Holy Grail war. It's a strange fake war set in snowfield America, where classes are glitched and saber class is missing. And there is actually a version of Gilgamesh that has to try. I personally have a very high expectation from this series, both in animation and the story. Jack of all trades, party of none. This is your typical kicked out of heroes party series, where our main character used to be the part of hero's party. In the beginning he was a swordsman, but because of his party he changed his class to first enchanter, then tactician. But after his party kicks him out, he discovers that he can do both of classes at the same time. But later he discovers he can do a lot of skills at the same time. Conan the Sorcerer can see. Our main character Conan was born blind but uses water magic to create a literal sonar vision for himself. The story follows his obsession with creating a magical eye. It's a beautiful technical magical discovery show but focused on science side of the part. MF Ghost Season 3. 86 is back, guys. Kanata is now climbing the ranks of MFG world. This season is crucial because we are now seeing more cameos from the original D cast. The racing is also more grounded than ever, and the Eurobot soundtrack is being handled by the same legend who did the original series. My Hero Academia Vigilante. Think of this like a dark side of amateur world. While the main story is about chosen hero, Koichi is just a guy trying to help his neighborhood. This season covers Sky High Incident. It feels more like a gritty comic than battle shonen, exploring the legal grey area of using the quirk without the license. Golden Kamuy. Golden Kamuy is back with a new season. If you haven't watched this series, this is the perfect time to start. It's a wild mix of action, survival, comedy and history. The story follows a war survivor, Immortal Sakamoto, and a Inu girl as they hunt for the hidden treasure while dangerous enemies from all sides chase them. You can't be in a rom-com with your childhood friend. This flips the losing childhood friend trope on its head. Our lead Yu is convinced that he is a side character in a rom-com, so he actively tries to ignore the flags from his best friend Akari. The comedy comes from him overanalyzing the clutch movement while Akari is in just love with him. Jujutsu Kaisen 2026 is where the story truly changed directions. After everything that happened in Shibuya, story takes its most dark and brutal phase yet, with major power shift, shocking choices and the consequences that don't get reversed. This is the arc where heroes break, villains take control, and the world of Jujutsu Kaisen starts to collapse. If you thought Jujutsu Kaisen was intense, this is where it became ruthless. 5-4 Season 3 Part 2 is where everything finally connects. The mystery behind spontaneous human combustion, Evangelist's real plans, and Shinra's true role all comes into the focus. Expect big fights, darker revelations, and the story that shifts from action heavy to lore heavy in a serious way. Scum of Brave, a dark fantasy for those who are tired of hero tropes. The heroes in this world are narcissistic villains, and our main character is a scum who tasked with cleaning up his mess. It's cynical, it's bloody, and very satisfying.
これはお化けが見える女の子かやちゃんのお話
Kai-chan isn't scary. Don't let this kindergarten setting fool you. Kai-chan has a problem. She can see terrifying spirits that nobody else can. It's a horror action series where a totally exercised demon with his bare hands. It's weird, it's creepy, and it's surprisingly wholesome.
終わりだ
Hell's Paradise Season 2 is where the story truly opens up. With MAPPA handling its animation, expectations are already high. The story moves beyond the pure survival and dives deeper into the island's secret, the true nature of Tao power system, and Gabimaru inner conflict. The fights get more strategic, the world building gets more darker, and the stakes rises fast. If Season 1 got your attention, Season 2 is designed to lock you in.
行ってきます
You and I are polar opposites. Suzuka is a high-energy girl who fits in the cool crowd, while our main character Tani is a quiet nerd. Unlike other rom-com, they start dating immediately. The show is about the social struggle of being in a relationship with someone of different social tier. It's the most relatable 2026 rom-com anime, in my belief.
お前が現場のこと気にするとは意外だなどういう心境の変化だ
Oshinoko Season 3 gets way more serious and uncomfortable in the best way. It shifts into stage play and rivalry and the real pressure behind the fame. Aqua became colder and more strategic, while Ruby finally starts chasing fame herself. Less shock value and more mind games. This season shows how industry slowly breaks people from the inside.
乾杯意外と早い再会だったな
これは大物だ
Frieren Season 2 slows things down in the best way possible and digs deeper into the time and the memories and what it means to live longer than everyone you love. This new season focuses on the main trials, deeper character backstories, and how Frieren slowly learns to understand human emotions she once ignored. It's not about big plot twists or continuous fights. It's about quiet growth, regret, and the moments that stay with you long after the episode ends.
でも優しくて
私は
それが山田アンナだ
Dangers in My Heart new project. Whether it's a OVA or a short season, more content on Yamada and Ichikawa is always a win-win. We'll be seeing their life as an official couple now, dealing with the reality of high school and Yamada growing fame.
広い空輝く海ここはまさにパラダイス
That time I got reincarnated as a slime, the movie. Rimuru is back on the big screen. This movie is the original story focusing on the El Dorado region. We'll see Octogram Demon Lord involved, which means the scale of the fight will be cosmic. If you like nation building and epic magic, this is the January highlight.
待たせちまったなすいません刺さってます
Gintama Final Special isn't just another comedic episode. It's a proper farewell that ties up character arc that fans have followed for years, along with usual absurd humor. It leans heavily on emotional callbacks, unfinished relationships, and the cost of choosing loyalty over freedom. This special is made for long-time fans, but it also shows why Gintama is remembered more than just a parody. It's a story about bonds, sacrifice, and saying goodbyes. 18 titles, 1 season. Winter 2026 is going to be expensive for our free time. If I missed any hidden gems, drop them in the comments. I'll put the list of release date in the description and make sure to subscribe. Thank you.
ほらこれは何かなクノン様にわかるかな収量減らせよ言っておくねあ